Hey there, future psychologist. Welcome to another episode of Mastering Psychology. Today, I'm going to break down correlations in psychology research methods, making it super easy and fun. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is a correlation? In simple terms, a correlation tells us if two variables, also known as covariables, are related. There are two main types of correlations, positive and negative. A positive correlation means that as one variable increases, the other one also increases. For example, the more hours you study, the higher your grades might be. Both variables move in the same direction. On the flip side, a negative correlation means that as one variable increases, the other decreases. Think about stress and sleep. The more stressed you are, the less sleep you get. These variables move in opposite directions. Now let's talk about hypotheses. In psychology research, a hypothesis is a prediction about the relationship between two variables. Correlations help us test these hypotheses. For instance, if your hypothesis is that watching more educational videos leads to better grades, a positive correlation between these two variables would support your hypothesis. But here's the catch: correlation does not imply causation. Just because two variables are related, it doesn't mean one causes the other. For example, ice cream sales and drowning incidents both increase in the summer, but buying ice cream doesn't cause drowning. They're related because of a third variable, the hot weather. So how do we evaluate correlations? We use a statistical measure called the correlation coefficient, which ranges from -1 to +1. A coefficient close to +1 indicates a strong positive correlation, while a coefficient close to -1 indicates a strong negative correlation. A coefficient around 0 means there's no correlation. Now that you know the basics, let's apply this knowledge to a novel research situation. Imagine you're studying the relationship between social media use and anxiety levels in teenagers. You collect data and find a positive correlation of +0.7. This suggests that as social media use increases, anxiety levels also increase. However, remember that this doesn't mean social media use causes anxiety. There might be other factors at play, such as peer pressure or lack of sleep. To wrap it up, correlations are a powerful tool in psychology research, helping us understand relationships between variables and test hypotheses. But always remember, correlation does not imply causation. That's it for today's episode of Mastering Psychology. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of psychology. Bye for now.